Okay. I think we're there. Let's go.
Did we get it?
I think we're right. Oh, God!
Assassin!
Okay. I think we lost it. Respawn. Okay. I think we lost the assassin. I can't remember what we came here for. But
Well,
we're gonna get whatever we want.
we're running for our lives. How do you expect us to remember anything?
Okay.
Let's break into the house.
Back to the house. Back to the house. Back to the house. Back to the house. Back to the house. Yeah, we can do whatever we want.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
Safe house! You're in safe house! Assassin!
Oh yeah, I'd like to use this on Duba. I'd like to create a site right now. I'll just take this and I'm just gonna die.
Dude, what the heck just happened?
I have no idea.
Where's your gun?
I really don't know.
That's weird. We need to find a. We need to think of a
I
strategy.
say we just run. Why not? Run.
No, we need to run and find you a gun.
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, gosh.